Yung po, kabis na kabis ka ka. Then kinamang dana, makapagpuli. Bakit? Taba rin po.
Ba dati ko mga upload nito. Sabi daw sa Batanda na yan ang pungkay. Eman, atit.
Ayun nga, yun niya ba yan?
Eman, pa man may niya ba ir. After 3 months, sana mga magkain. Marami pa na mag-survey.
Great job, Peter. You are 98% successful. 98? Hi, Spider-Man. Band practice, was it?
Follow mo ko dahil.
Sige lang, ngayon pag yung Facebook.
Nails Ingron. Ikaw, Coco Ingron.
Nakikalakatin naman. Laging ko.
Makasahap naman kasi. Reng ka kung kay follower, kay reng viewer, kay 1.7, 1.5. Miras lang mga ka. Sisend ko lang yung by group chat mo. Ay, by group kay yung bulangan bentahan mo, yung king kay.
Wow.
Na,
Salamat.
yung apo ko. Talagang makaya yun. Talagang.
Hindi yung matadara yung lola kanita niya.
Mm.
Makakain. Naglamay ba ako yung lansa niya? Hindi ako maplano. Siya masyado sanay sa lamesa. Ayoko pa naman. Lansa lang.
Nung kikibit ang kalpo. Ang dropper ko.
Ayun.
Pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Hey Lily, what's in your packet? Give me a little, please.
Oh, these are tomato flavored snacks. Here, take a little. You have some too.
Hey Emma, what do you have in your hand?
These are chili snacks. I just bought them. Here, take some. You have some too. Look, Jack, I brought something special for you today. Make sure you try it. And yes, don't forget to tell your friends to like and subscribe. Hey, Jack, where are you going with so many snacks? Here, have
Kami
some
kakamag-anak
sweet
kayo kay
sour
Mel.
mango too.
Hey you two, where are you both going?
I brought this sweet snack for you. Make sure you try it. Strawberry juice after eating. And have this mango juice from my side too. And make sure you try these sweet berries from my side. Keep these lychees from my side. And these apples are from our side. Don't forget to eat them.
Oh wow, you all are so kind. Everyone who watches this video will definitely like and subscribe for you. Hey Lily, what's in your packet? Give me. What happens if you throw a piece of wood into a whirlpool? Some people think it just disappears and never comes back. If you ever see a whirlpool, don't even think about getting close because it's far more dangerous than you realize. The water spins so fast it can drag things down without warning. So this guy decided to test it in real life. He grabbed a solid piece